Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Office 365 account and permissions. If you lack edit rights, request them now. Once done, sign in at Portal. Office. Com or paste the direct site URL. Make sure you pick the correct site and then the specific document library. This focuses your actions and avoids clutter. You are about to create structure and add files, so double-check site selection. Small mistakes here lead to misplaced content later. Now create the structure. Click New and choose Document Library or Folder because organization saves time. Once folders exist, upload files by using Upload or simply drag and drop. Monitor sync status in the top right to confirm success. After files appear, add metadata columns, text, choice, or date to make search and filtering work for everyone. If you plan team collaboration, assign versioning and checkout settings to prevent conflicts and keep history intact. Finish by sharing the library or individual files using the Share button. Choose Edit or View permissions and add a short message so recipients know what to do. Make sure version history is enabled so you can restore earlier files if something goes wrong. If collaborators report missing updates, pause and resume sync, clear the OneDrive cache, or resync the library. This resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, verify permissions and re-upload the affected files as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.